This is question number 3. First one is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So 10x minus 25, you can clearly take 5 common between them. 5 is a common factor. So 5 into 2x minus 5 you can write divided by 5. So here 5 and 5 get cancelled and the answer will be 2x minus 5. Now the next one is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So again same thing you will do, factorize it. 5 into 2x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5. Now this time 2x minus 5 will get cancelled and the answer will be 5. So third one is 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So here between 6y plus 21 you can take 3 common. 3 is a common factor of 6y and 21. So it can be written as 10y into 3 into 2y plus 7 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So here 2y plus 7 I can cancel out. Then 5 and 10 I can cancel out and this will be 2. This 2 comes after cancelling out with 5. So it will be 2y into 3, that is 6y. Next one, 9x square y square into 3z minus 24. Again see 3z and 24, you have a common factor between these two. 3 is a common factor. So 3z minus 24, from here you can take 3 common. Divided by 27 xy into z minus 8. So this will be written in this way, 9x square y square into 3 into z minus 8 divided by 27 x into y into z minus 8. So z minus 8 is there in numerator and denominator both. It will get cancelled. Then you can cancel one of the y's here and one of the x. So x and y will remain. Then 9 and 27 you can cancel out. 9 3s are 27 and then this 3 and this 3 you can cancel out. So what remains is xy. The next one, 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. So between these two, 3a minus 12 and 5b minus 30, you can take common factors. So 3 in bracket you will get a minus 4 and here also 5 can be taken common between 5b and 30. So you will get it like this, 3 into a minus 4, 5 into b minus 6. Now a minus 4 and b minus 6 are there in the denominator also. So those terms will get cancelled and then 96 and 144 you have to factorize and then cancel out the common factors. So the final answer that you will be getting will be 10 ABC. Question number 4. First one is 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So over here already it is in factorized form only and all are irreducible factors. You cannot factorize it further. So you have already 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 in the numerator as well as denominator. You can cancel it out and the answer will be 5 into 3x plus 5. The next one is 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x into y minus 4. So here also this y minus 4 is there in both numerator and denominator. You can cancel it out. X is there and 13 and 26 also you can cancel out. So the final answer will be 2y into x plus 5. So third one, 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R. So here also Q plus R is there in both numerator and denominator. This you can cancel out. Then you have R plus P also here in numerator as well as denominator. That also you can cancel. Then you have PQ and PQ. And 52 and 104 you have to factorize into prime factors and then you can cancel out the common factors. So 52 is 2 into 2 into 13 and 104 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. So the final answer will be R into P plus Q divided by 2. You can also write it as 1 by 2 R into P plus Q. Next one is 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 into y plus 4. So here already the denominator is getting cancelled out with this, and 5 into 4 is 20. So then 4 into this entire term, that is y square plus 5y plus 3. This will be the final answer. Fifth one is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1. So here x into x plus 1 is there in both numerator and denominator. That you can cancel out, and these two terms will remain. X plus 2 into x plus 3. This will be the answer. So next one is fifth question. Factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. So first you have to factorize, then you have to cancel out the common factors. So y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Now here you cannot take out any common factors between these. So you have to factorize it by using identities. So which identity you will use? You will use the last identity, that is x plus a, x plus b identity. Now that method is also called splitting the middle term method. So 7y is the middle term which you will split in this form as 5y plus 2y. So 7y only has been written as 5y plus 2y. And why this has been done? So that we can do regrouping and we can take out common factors between the two groups. So between y square and 5y, I can take y common. So I'll get y into y plus 5. Then between 2y and 10, I can take 2 common. So I'll get 2 into y plus 5. Then between these two groups, I've got y plus 5 common. So I'll take that outside, y plus 5 into y plus 2 divided by y plus 5. So I can cancel out y plus 5. And the answer will be y plus 2.